Hello everyone, call-up time is here, and today we are taking you way back. Take a look at this because we are about to start. Take a look at these beautiful clips. I am using Mac Studio Fix Plus Press Powder Foundation. Collab time, and it is a beautiful day. I'm using It Cosmetics Powder Foundation brush. My shade is NW45 in the Mac Press Powder Studio Fix. Hello ladies, you are in for a treat. Please watch this video all the way through because I am taking you on a journey from makeup to dressing up to dancing to the end. Please watch everything. The ladies that are taking part in today's video, their information is in my description box. Please go visit them and see what different outfits and makeup they use for this 1920s flappers look. It should be exciting. Enjoy, watch all the way through, give me a thumbs up, leave me something in the comments, and I will answer you back. I want to say a happy birthday to our newest member, ZELDA. Her name of her channel is Silver Curls ZELDA. Her birthday was April 4th, so happy birthday, ZELDA. And now, since you're watching me create this gorgeous 1920s flappers look, I just want to give you a little information that I know according to Google. The most famous flappers were Clara Bow, Louis Brooks, Josephine Baker, Zelda Fitzgerald, Colin Moore, and Coco Chanel. They were the famous flappers. Flappers in the 1920s, they called that era the Roaring 20s. Their makeup was red lips, and sometimes they would call it a bee sting lip because they would make only the middle look a little bit puffier, and they put blush only on the apples of the cheeks. They wore very thin eyebrows, and that is what I tried to create. Let me know in the comments how I did with that. Flappers wore blush on their knees to bring attention to that part of their body. Back in the 20s, they would take a little bit of blush and rub on their knees, so their dresses were just by the knee, so when you look in that direction, it would bring attention to that part of the body. Boy, I think they were sexy. Okay. Their hairstyle was unique, their clothes was unique. The music was jazz back in the flapper days. The flappers dance the Charleston and the shimmy. That was the dance back then. Flappers were the first women to get tattoos. Zelda Fitzgerald was the first female flapper, according to Google. Irene Castle was the household name at the dawn of the Roaring 20s. The real origin of The word flapper came from flapping, a young bird flapping its wings while learning to fly. By the 1890s, the term was surfacing in England as a reference to high-spirited teenage girls. What colors did flappers wear? Because the Art Deco movement was in full swing, flappers wanted dresses that features beaded patterns which are more apparent on fabric that don't have an inherent print themselves. Dark colors like black, plum, and navy will always be popular due to the fact that they are incredibly flattering. The jewelries flappers wore back then was Art Deco inspired brooches on their fur collars and clutch hats, as well as long continuous strands of pearls or round beads, gem-studded bracelets, and lariat necklace with tasseled ends. Wide bracelets, both cuff and memory wire style, were popular.